Hi, I'm James Eddy. I'm a design engineer with McMillen Engineering, and also I'm a member of the board of my local Trout Unlimited chapter, B. Pendleton Kennedy chapter. I've worked on a myriad of projects from stormwater to municipal wastewater and drinking water. And another project that we have done is culvert replacement, and we're standing at one right now. And we've done these projects both to fix flooding in the township of undersized culverts, and something that means a lot to me is these culverts, when we replace them, they also allow native trout passage for spawning, and it allows them to thrive. Typically, brook trout in a small stream like this may not get above 6 inches at the biggest that they get, but you add these culverts in, it lets them connect with other populations of brook trout, lets them move downstream when there's no food available, and they can get anywhere up to 12 inches. So the other culverts that were added in the same watershed, these populations of brook trout will be able to spawn, and they'll have a diversified gene pool, and it lets them move upstream to spawn with low conditions like this. So in the fall, when they come to spawn, they're not stopped by purged culvert. They can freely move back and forth whenever they want, and find the best conditions that they need for their spawning and survival.
Prior to us putting the culvert in, this was a ford across the stream. There were several needs here from the municipality. One, their largest need was winter maintenance. And so for wintertime snow plowing, they would have to plow up to this point, turn around and go out, and then it was maybe an 8-mile loop around to get back to the other side where they'd have to plow. So it was a real time issue for them to clear the roads and just be able to do the winter maintenance. From an environmental standpoint, when the trucks would cross the stream, if it was weather that was permittable for that, there would be sediments and salts and pollutants on the truck that would make it into the stream, a direct source of the stream. So by constructing this culvert in this location, we were able to remove those direct contaminants from the stream, improving the water quality, as well as providing a mechanism for winter maintenance, for safety, just for emergency purposes. It enables us to have a good road network.